Right, here's the science lesson for 929. In the table of contents, you would put mixtures, and it should be about page 16 in that area is what we're going to discuss. And the first thing is we discussed is what is a mixture? And we came up with that a mixture is a combination of two or more substances in which each keeps its own properties and can both be easily separate. So we combine different mixtures of different substances, and it has to be at least two or more. And so we just had I had the students come with a bunch of different mixtures after they wrote this, because this is going to go, you need to write this in the last place that you wrote in your science journal to write as a vocabulary word, mixture. And then at the end, give an example. And one example is trail mix, or we did actually a really good one. I said we've actually been working on this in math the past couple of days when I have a group of money, a mixture of money. And we have to separate them. It's easy to separate the money, but you have nickels and dimes and quarters. So that was a mixture of money. All right, and then we came over here and I said combine, and it's to mix together. And a lot of them saw that the liquid, but there's also just mixing up, we actually looked at the video that we had with all the kids in it, and I said we actually combine students, and I have girls and boys, and that was the mixture of girls and boys, and we can easily separate those two. Write this down in your journal. Then we come over here and we did this one where it's separate, to divide or keep apart. So taking your mixture, if it's easy to take apart and separate, that would be a mixture, and it would be called a heterogeneous mixture. And what I mean by heterogeneous mixture is going to be explained in this video that I'm going to try to find quickly. Not there. This one right here.
Mixtures and solutions. Breaking things isn't the only way to make changes to substances. We can make other changes by combining different substances. For example, a mixture is formed when two or more kinds of matter are put together. Mixtures can be made with matter in any state: solids, liquids, or gases. One important thing to remember about mixtures is that the substances that are combined to form the mixture retain their individual properties once they are in the mixture. Here's an example of a mixture that might be familiar to you: trail mix. I just love all of the tasty ingredients: peanuts, pretzels, raisins, chocolate pieces. Although they are all combined to make trail mix, each ingredient maintains its unique properties as part of the mixture. Mixtures come in two types: heterogeneous and homogeneous. In a heterogeneous mixture, the arrangement or distribution of the substances varies throughout the mixture. The parts of a heterogeneous mixture can be easily separated. Our trail mix is an example of a heterogeneous mixture. If we wanted to, we could easily separate out our favorite ingredients. In a homogeneous mixture, all the components are evenly distributed throughout the mixture.
And so all this had to take place here was heterogeneous, is what we were talking about earlier. And so just watch that video, take care of that, and then tomorrow we'll discuss more. We actually had a lot of conversations about different types of mixtures, so just around the house. So just a little thing to do after you watch this is to find and see if there's different types of mixtures. And just one really good one that we really discussed as a group was salad, and how easy that is to mix them, combine them, and then to separate them. And just real quickly for our science lesson, our social studies lesson for Mr. Hazen class, we discussed the grid maps. You need to read this on page, I do believe it should be 33 or 34. Read this and then answer the questions for number 5 using this chart. And just remember for this, a legend, this is A, this whole row across is A. So it's A1, A2. Going down, everything here is 1 and everything here is 2. So it would be B1, B2, that area inside there. And what I mean by that is just check it out. See how this makes a box? This box and everything in it is in grid B2. And that's just the way you would read that grid map.